Well, I know I wanted to make some videos and post them, but my camera got broken. The screen broke. Yeah. Here, look at this. Isn't that nice? I know it's hard to see. Well, no, that's what it is. It's exactly what it looks like. I've crushed it, broke it. So I've ordered some parts I ordered some old cameras. And they have lens problems. So I took a picture of the camera that's filming the camera. I think it'll still take pictures, but you just can't see the screen. Isn't that nice? Look at that. But I'll be making more videos. But my analog camera, let me see if I can take a picture of it. And I'll show you what it looks like. It's an old Sony camera. It's big and bulky, and it's getting to the point where it's not dependable any longer. But I need this one fixed, so I am the man to fix it. I will still try to post videos as often as possible, but it looks like in this case I'm going to be posting a video on how to repair a Nikon L24 camera. That should be interesting, huh? You guys have a great weekend. Bye.